Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pizza easy recipe. First, activate your yeast by combining 1 1/2 cups of warm water with a teaspoon of sugar and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's nice and foamy. Then, mix in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Once your dough is kneaded, place it in a lightly oiled bowl, turning it once to coat, and then cover it. Let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until it has doubled in size. This step is crucial for a light and airy crust. While your dough is rising, it's the perfect time to preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare all your delicious toppings. Now for the fun part, assembling your pizza. Gently punch down your risen dough and divide it into 2 equal portions, perfect for 2 medium pizzas. On a lightly floured surface, stretch or roll each portion into a 12-inch circle. Carefully transfer your dough to parchment paper or a pizza peel dusted with cornmeal. Then, spread about 1/2 cup of your favorite pizza sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Finish assembling your pizza by sprinkling 1 to 1 1/2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce, followed by your favorite toppings. Remember not to overload it for the best results. Carefully slide your pizza onto the preheated pizza stone or baking steel in the oven. Bake for about 8 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Let it cool for a few minutes, then slice and enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.